You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the syndrome. For more pronunciations from medicine, make sure to stay tuned to learn more medical terms. A type of epilepsy, often referred to as LGS, Lennox-Gastaut, the second name is French, Gastaut, Lennox-Gastaut Syndrome, Lennox-Gastaut Syndrome. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.